All right, I got cut off, so I'm gonna start over with 16 again. But I did want to make this comment that this was no solution. So since it was no solution, there is no interval notation to write. So that's why I didn't write that. Okay. 16, on the other hand, is a little different because it's an or statement. So when you do 14, you'll have to write that in interval notation. Okay. All right. So going back to number 16, real quick. I started that one on the other one. So we've got 3 minus 8p less than or equal to negative 77. So we're going to solve that. Minus 3, minus 3. Okay. We get negative 8p is less than or equal to negative 80. I'm going to divide by negative 8 on both sides. And this, we got to flip this sign. Okay. So I'm going to end up with p is less than, p is greater than or equal to 10. Okay. Then I've got the same thing where 3p minus 9. So and I have p. That's actually 6. Okay. Now, when I have those two, I'm going to clear that real quick. So I end up with p greater than or equal to 10 or p less than 6. So when I put these on my graph, I have on 6 open circle going this way. On 10 closed circle going this way. So my interval notation, remember, this is going to negative infinity. And those I got parentheses, and then there's my 6. Or I'll have bracket on 10, positive infinity. And remember, that's a parenthesis. All right, so that's my interval notation right there. Okay. Now, we're going to go all the way down to this. You do have to do those word problems, so work through those. Very similar to what we've already done. Here is some review. Literal equations, we're solving for x. So look here, plus c, that cancels. I have 8x equal to 2b plus c. Divide by a, that cancels. So I got x is equal to 2b plus c, all that divided by a. Okay. So I want you to do this one on your own. Okay. So you're still solving for x. All right, we go down here. These are proportions. So this is where we've got to cross multiply. Okay. So remember, I like putting these like this, set them off. So I have 2 times 2x minus 1 equals 3 times 3x plus 2. Okay, so we've cross multiplied. I'm going to distribute. So I get 4x minus 2 equals, distribute, 3x plus 6. So now over here, I'm going to just rewrite that real quick. Minus 3x. Okay, and then you can finish that. All right, that should just be plus 2, x is equal to 8. Okay. Here, remember, just put that there, and you're still going to do the exact same thing. You'll still cross multiply. multiply. Okay. All right, I still want you to work through this one. Okay, pay attention to the word at least. Sorry. Pay attention to the word at least. Okay. So you're going to write an inequality statement. Write an inequality to represent the statement. Okay. All right. Back here is this is the answer key. So you can check. All right. This is going to be attached in the document as well. So of course, you got to show your work, but this is a way for you to just check your answers. And so all I want you to do is just check your answers so you know if you are on target or not. Okay. All right. You still got to show your work on everything to get credit. All right. So if y'all got any questions or anything, just let one of us know. But if you don't finish in class, you've got access to this video and access to the answer key as well, so that you can work on it before the test on Wednesday.